This is the time. This is the place. Now this is the moment to say it. I cannot be proud of where I was born if I didn't choose it. I cannot feel satisfied with my God cause it was imposed. I cannot be proud of my blood if they change my name. You are the one. You are the one. And you're in the right place. Now is the moment, yeah, to realize that you should not be proud of being black or white, you didn't choose it. You should not be proud of that flag, cause it's an illusion. Why don't we do something that we could